Principles of Inheritance and Variation Part 8. In this video, you will be learning about what is a pedigree and a little about pedigree analysis. So, what is a pedigree? A pedigree is a systematic listing either as words or symbols of the ancestors of a given individual, or it may be a family tree for a number of individuals. Pedigree analysis is carried out in order to ward off possible disaster due to picking up of harmful genetic defects like dominant polydactyly, wherein you find extra digits in hands and feet, syndactyly joined digits, brachydactyly short digits, recessive hemophilia, deaf mutism, birth blindness, color blindness, thalassemia, alkaptonuria, phenylketonuria, sickle cell anemia, attached earlobes, tongue rolling, etc. Now let us have a look at the pedigree symbols. It is customary to represent men by squares and women by circles in a chart for study of pedigree analysis. Marriage is indicated by a connecting horizontal line and children by attachment to a vertical line extending downward from the horizontal line. Individuals having particular characters to be studied are denoted by solid squares or circles, while those not having are indicated by outlines only. In Here is a pedigree analysis. Now, in a pedigree analysis, a person who is the beginner of the family history is called a proband. It is called propositus if male and proposita if female. Children of such parents are known as sibs or siblings. So, a family is constituted by such parents and their siblings. Sometimes, a very large family is formed as a result of interconnected marriages. Such a circle of large persons interconnected is called kindred, and here you find a pedigree analysis of an autosomal dominant trait like myotonic dystrophy. So here you are finding it occurring in every generation and irrespective of the sex, and here you find an autosomal recessive trait. It is for the sickle cell anemia. So this is an example of a pedigree analysis. From this analysis, analysts will be geneticists will be able to pinpoint out the occurrence of genetic diseases in the future generations, and if they find that it is present in all the generations and the possibility is very high, then they would recommend for a medical termination of the pregnancy.